boys and girls, men and women, ladies and gentlemen, and oh, probably those kids back there too. I want to ask you some questions if you have some time. Oh yeah, I will ask. Of course, you all have. Today I will be talking about science and feminism. So let's get started. Let me start with asking you about what is science and what is feminism. Very easy, huh? No? So, science is a systematic enterprise that builds knowledge in the form of testable explanations and predictions about the universe. Feminism is a collection of movements and ideologies that share a common goal to achieve equal political, cultural, personal, and social rights for women. And, by the way, feminism can transform methodology, challenge the lack of objectivity, and improve scientific practice. So, science and feminism can help you to plug the leaky pipeline in science. Interesting, huh? So, another question. Why do you think women away from science? Huh? Nobody? Okay, no problem. I will answer that. Maybe males fear stereotypes, harassments, and discrimination. But you know what? Maybe we don't see that because they are not so obvious, but they really exist. Oh no, my bad. Let me tell you another thing. The gender difference debates also has developed in ways that seem to perpetuate stereotypes about science and scientists. You may now think that stereotyping are keeping women away from science. Right? Right? Ah, okay, definitely. Sure. I have a very nice example. The prejudices against hiring women into the STEM field have recently been explored in new ways. Some men are always keeping women away, not only from science but also other fields. I hope you are having fun listening to my questions. But now, I have a very interesting question. So, take this one. Why when women are good at math, they still don't get hired? If you would stop believing the myth that women are too slow out of the gate when they are supposed to add numbers, we might be able to make a little progress on gender balance in technical careers. But for sure, it won't be enough to fix it. But at least it will help us trudge in the right direction. Okay, let us now get more advanced. Do you know what is feminist epistemology? Well, of course, you don't. It's a theory of knowledge from feminist standpoint. Elizabeth Anderson described it as being concerned with the way in which gender influences our concepts of knowledge of science. For example, a woman who, due to her gender, is not allowed to enter a business meeting or a science lab. I'm talking in some countries for sure. This kind of awful stereotyping will never happen here, right? And what about feminist technoscience? Well, it's a transdisciplinary field that emerged from decades of feminist critics and became an amalgamation of the study of feminism and science, technology, and society. Oh, by the way, the feminist scholars reanalyzed the scientific revolution, and the resulting science was based on masculine ideology of exploiting the earth and control. This depended on the use of gender imagery conceptualized the nature. Okay, lastly, how can we encourage women to participate in science? Huh? How can we? Well, I just want women to know that science gives you the weapon to do battles in feminist causes. And feminism gives you the awareness to spot the potential for misuse of these very weapons. Also, feminism will give you the awareness that research can be biased. You don't want that, right? Guys, I have to go now because I have a long day tomorrow for encouraging women to participate in science. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.